Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And guess what? We'll talk. Okay, family, so the second focal we're going to use is going to be this one. I like this color on here, and I think it'll match really well with the orange beads. So we're going to go with this one. We're going to use these big beads right here. How about, these are too big. I have some of these, or we can use some of these right here. We'll match it with some of these. Some other wood beads. And when it's just one bracelet, it's really quick. What? 7 to 10 minutes. Especially when you already know which beads you're going to be using pretty much. Oh, you know what? Let me see something. I might want to use these bigger beads. Let's see. These agates. See how this looks with the bigger beads. And go ahead and use. This is a pretty bead. It almost looks like it'll go good with some of the cow print beads. You know, like some of those cow print beads that I paint. So these are bigger. And I was going to go with, let's see, what's a smaller bead? I was going to go with a smaller one. I'm going to try the big bead. Let's see what the big bead looks like. I'll try this because these are bigger beads. And then see what that looks like. And if it don't match, all we gonna do is take it apart. I'm gonna use this color bead because it matches with this big bead right here. My glasses keep falling off. It's like, Darlene, just go get some more glasses. I got good glasses. I just don't like to wear them, you know, at the house. I'm going to have to go to the store up here and get another pair of the cheap ones. Oh, I didn't do that right. We need to put the big bead on. Go get another pair of the little cheap ones. In fact, I'm going to get a couple pair of them just so I could have them at the house. That's like yesterday when I went to worship service. And then I ended up somewhere else. Of course, I took the good glasses with me so I could be able to see. But when I'm at home, I don't put those good ones on because I don't want them to break or I don't want the lens to get all scratched up. So I just got to suffer through them falling off of my face until I go get some more. Wait, I just did that side. Hold on a second. Well, I'm just running off at the mouth. Double doing one side. And I like that. I like that. All the colors match really good. Because I was going to do the small one, but I can see the bigger one looks good too. And the way all the colors blend together. So we're just going to go ahead and put 2 more big ones on here. 1 more. And that might be too many. And then we might have to take one off. Oh yeah, I like that. I really like that. That's really cool. So we're just gonna go ahead and tie this together. It don't take very long for a quick little bracelet. We only at like 5 minutes right now, so. And then we're gonna put a charm on this one as well. Maybe something that we already have made. Not unless I see something up here I want to turn into a charm. Because y'all know I would turn everything into a charm. I do mean everything would. Everything could be a charm. I don't care. Anything and everything can be a charm. Oh yeah, that's cool, right? That's really nice. And see, these are big enough and nice enough to where they can just be worn alone. You don't even have to match them with anything unless you want to, like some bangles or another little small, maybe some small bracelets or something. If you just really gotta be matching them, you know, with something, you can do that. Put some bangles on and just kind of go for it, or just wear it by itself. Because I like this. That looks really good together too. And if you had a little watch, had your watch on or something, you wouldn't need these. You can actually just have your watch on. Because I know a lot of people wear an Apple Watch, and then they'll have like those special nice bands and stuff, right? So there's a way to dress up the wrists. Believe that one. So then, everything gets a charm. See how this one is going to look. Yeah, that's cool. That's really cool. And see, they're just very different bracelets. This one, do I want to keep this one on? Yeah, I like this one. Oh, wait, and then I got a coconut chip, too. Let's see, will the coconut chip look better? I like it like this. All the colors blend really good together. So I like that. And then we got our other one right here. So those are gorgeous, right? Those stones and matching with those hand-painted beads. Okay, really, really nice. Okay, so this is number 2. So we got that one. Number 2 looks really good and pretty too. I'm digging the colors. I put a light sealant on these 25 millimeter. These are 25 millimeters. The other bracelet is 20 millimeters. And I think the other ones I make, I'm going to use 20 millimeter beads as well. I might end up using some 25 millimeters. I don't know, but it'll either be 25 or 20. It'll be one of the two. But I'm digging this. And because it's a big focal, to me, it requires big beads to make it really stand out and look good. Now, you can use a big bead and do like small 6 millimeter, 8 millimeter, even 15 millimeter beads, or 12 millimeter if you want to. But for me, big is big, and big is what it should be, and big should be accompanied by big. And I just really like the way this looks. I'm digging this bead right here. And just the way all the colors are matching nicely together. But anyway, this is bracelet number 2. Ceramic bead. We're doing a series, so we're going to do 6 of these. This is number 2.